Here's how to fix no sound during an iPhone screen recording. Now, if you take your finger and swipe down for the very top right, you should see the screen recording button here. You can see I'm screen recording my iPhone right now. Now, let's say you're doing this, but you're not hearing any audio. The very first thing that you want to do is tap and hold anywhere outside of the screen. Hit Add Control here and make sure that screen recording button shows up. So just type in screen recording and make sure that is in the control center. After it's on the control center and you're good to go, you're going to tap and hold on that screen recording button, not just tap it. So if you tap it, it will start the countdown, but tap and hold it and you'll see what looks like this. It says everything on your screen will be recorded. At the very bottom, it says microphone is off. All you need to do is tap on that microphone off and it will enable the microphone so that you can screen record and it will listen into both the sounds that your iPhone makes as well as the ambient sounds. If you want to basically say something into your phone as well, you can do that. Now, you can also just head into the App Store if neither of these are working and you can just type in screen recorder. There's lots of third-party screen recorders. You can see this one gets great reviews. All you need to do is you can download and install this screen recorder onto your iPhone, and this should be able to use your microphone. If you scroll over here, you can see that little microphone icon there. Just use that microphone internally built into your iPhone and use the screen recording from this third-party app. You don't need to use the built-in screen recorder on your iPhone. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys.